So, hello guys! For today's video, nagki-crave po ako ng pizza. Actually guys, gusto ko sana ng yellow cab matry dito sa Abu Dhabi. Kaso wala pala dito, sa Dubai lang. Yes, masarap din kasi dito guys ang yellow cab. So, masarap din tong Domino's guys. Oh my god, hindi to magpapatalo dito. Let's try. Oh my god. So this is first the potato fry. Right, Kitty Pa? Take the pizza. The pizza first. So this is our midnight snack. Oh my god! Kitty Pie, I think you ordered the, what's this? What's this name? I ordered for you, right? The... What's this you order, Kitty Pie?
Hawaiian.
Because it's not same as Hawaiian. This is Hawaiian, guys. Kitty Pie angry with me. Sarap. Sarap. The one is... Did you order garlic bread?
Yeah.
I think this is the garlic bread. Yeah. It's a garlic bread. This is also my favorite, guys, in Domino's. Sarap. Kain tayo, guys.